Is it necessary to reply to Mashallah?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the nuances of Arabic and Islamic culture. Specifically, we're going to explore the phrase, Mashallah, and discuss whether it's necessary to respond when someone says it to you. Remember, cultural understanding is crucial for effective communication, so let's get started.
What does Mashallah mean?
Mashallah is an Arabic phrase that literally translates to, what God has willed. It's commonly used in the Muslim world and among Arabic-speaking communities to express admiration, joy, or appreciation for what God has given or brought about. You'll often hear it when someone is complimenting a beautiful object, a talented person, or a favorable circumstance.
Is it necessary to respond to Mashallah?
When someone uses the term, Mashallah, they are expressing a positive sentiment or giving a compliment. In most situations, there isn't a culturally or religiously prescribed response needed. It's not like other Arabic phrases such as, Salam alaikum, peace be upon you, where a specific response, wa alaikum salam, or an upon you be peace, is expected. However, it is generally polite to acknowledge the comment or compliment. You might respond by saying, thank you, or by showing appreciation in some other way. But again, remember that there is no specific or formal response required when someone says, Mashallah, to you.
When should you use Mashallah?
It's important to understand when to use Mashallah as well. As mentioned earlier, it's used to show appreciation or admiration for something or someone. You can use it when you're genuinely impressed or pleased with a situation or an achievement. It can also be used as a polite response when someone shares good news with you. The usage of Mashallah can vary based on cultural context and personal preference, but it is generally seen as a positive expression of approval, admiration, or gratitude. In conclusion, while it's polite to acknowledge when someone says, Mashallah, to you, there's no specific or formal response required. It's a beautiful phrase that encapsulates a sense of gratitude and admiration, and using it appropriately helps foster understanding and respect for Arabic and Islamic culture. We hope this guide has been helpful in clarifying the etiquette surrounding Mashallah. Until next time, stay curious and respectful of the diverse cultures that make up our global community.